The research of a Canadian neurosurgeon discovered some dramatic truths about the human mind's reaction to change. He conducted various experiments which proved that when a person is forced to change a fundamental belief or opinion, the brain undergoes a series of nervous sensations equivalent to distressing torture. That's how we view change. But change isn't something to be feared. Instead, change is something that is a solution. Change is something that makes us better, that makes us who we want to be. The toughest thing to change is our approach to change. You might be used to opening a speech or a presentation with a single statement, or just basically recycling the title when you're called up. Change that. It's time to start speaking with word pictures. It's time to start using stories and anecdotes, fables, facts, statistics. It's time to start using them often. Today, let's change. So now, go find 3 stories related to the speech that you want to give. Find 3 facts that are also related. Find 3 statistics that are also related to the speech that you want to give. Or of course, remember, presentation. Anything that you'd be speaking in public with. It's okay if it's too much. Don't worry about that. You don't have to use them all. But you want to be equipped with great ones, so make sure they're all great. And then I want you to disperse them throughout the speech and make sure to use as many as you can to back up your points. You can find what you need by doing a simple Google search. Search for fables. Aesop's fables are great. Also, do a search for interesting facts or interesting statistics, or you can search for inspirational stories. You can also go to your local library and look for reference books full of stories and fables, facts and statistics. Ask the librarian for some help. They'd love to help you. I haven't been to a library yet that doesn't have plenty of these. This change isn't to be feared. You're gonna love it.